Hey guys, I'm gonna make a quick one. Should have thought of this before I actually started the project, but I got one of my kids' presents here. A little surprise. We've all been here, had to put something together, right? Comes with an Allen key. Now, here's the problem. It takes forever to use the actual Allen key. So what I did was I started it, I guess. I put the bolts, if you will, in there, right? And then I took the Allen key and I snipped it off, put the end of it in the drill. You can see I kind of could have took a pair of lineman pliers and just whacked it. And now check it out. Let's see if I can get the camera squared away for us. All right. Now what I did was I set the drill not on full blast. I couldn't use an impact, and I wouldn't want to because it would give it too much unless you're handy with the trigger. But I set the chuck, I mean, for this case I did, you can see it 15. Come over here, put it in here. Check this out, ready? Done. Next one. Done. Dunsky. But the key is to make sure you don't crank it down. Set the chuck and then turn it up as you need it and test it with the Allen. Get yourself another Allen key and just make sure that you don't over tighten it because you don't want to split the wood. But it's definitely save you some time. Hope this helps.